है कि 7 चरणों में लोकसभा का चुनाव होगा। और हम आपको बता दें कि 2014 में जब लोकसभा का चुनाव हुआ था तो 9 चरणों में हुआ था। इस बार 7 चरणों में लोकसभा का चुनाव होगा। और जो खबर मिल रही है 11 अप्रैल को पहले चरण का मतदान होगा, यानी कि 11 तारीख को लोकसभा चुनाव का पहला चरण, उसके लिए वोट डाले जाएंगे। तो बड़ी खबर इस वक्त 17वीं लोकसभा चुनाव से जुड़ी हुई इस वक्त मिल रही है। 11 अप्रैल को लोकसभा के लिए पहले चरण के लिए चुनाव वोट डाला जाएगा और 7 चरणों में इस बार का लोकसभा चुनाव होगा।
बिल्कुल, तो ये बड़ा अपडेट लोकसभा चुनाव के लेकर ये जरूरी जानकारी मिली है कि 7 चरणों में इस बार लोकसभा चुनाव होगा और सबसे पहला चरण जो है वो 11 अप्रैल तय किया गया है। 11 अप्रैल से चुनाव शुरू हो जाएगा और लगातार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है और अपडेट लगातार हमें मिल रहे हैं। तो 23 मई को काउंटिंग होगी, ये अपडेट भी मिला है। पहला चरण 11 अप्रैल से शुरू होगा और 23 मई को काउंटिंग होगी, यानी कि 23 मई को यह साफ हो जाएगा कि आखिर किसकी सरकार 2019 में बनने वाली है। तो लगातार निर्वाचन आयोग की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है।
तो 7 चरणों में लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए वोट डाले जाएंगे। पहला जो फेज है वो है 11 अप्रैल को पहले चरण के लिए वोटिंग। और हम आपको बता दें कि 23 मई को परिणाम आएगा, यानी कि जैसा कहा जा रहा था 26 मई तक, उससे पहले ही 3 दिन यानी कि 23 मई को चुनाव परिणाम आएगा। 3 जून तक 16वें लोकसभा की अवधि है, उससे पहले लोकसभा का गठन कर लिया जाएगा। तो 11 अप्रैल को पहले चरण के लिए चुनाव की बात यहां पर कही। और दूसरे चरण के लिए भी खबर मिल रही है 18 अप्रैल को दूसरे चरण की वोटिंग होगी। तो जो पहला फेज है वो 11 अप्रैल को और जो दूसरा फेज है वो 18 अप्रैल को, उसके लिए वोट डाले जाएंगे। हम आपको बता दें कि अधिसूचना आज से ही जारी हो गई है। आदर्श आचार संहिता लागू हो गई है।
डेट ऑफ पोल 6 मई, फेज 6, date of issue of gazette notification 16th April, date of poll 12th May. Phase 7, date of issue of gazette notification 22nd April, date of poll 19th May. And all, I'll repeat the date of poll. First phase 11th April, second phase 18th April, third phase 23rd April, fourth phase 29th April, fifth phase 6th May, sixth phase 12th May, phase 7 19th May. Am I clear now? And all countings without, no need to say, but I am repeating, 23rd May. Now the Lok Sabha state-wise details if you want, or otherwise I'll just tell you that in phase 1 there are total 543 constituencies, as you are all aware. Phase 1 is 91. In 20 states, phase 1 is 91 in 20 states. Phase 2 is 97 in 13 states. Phase 3 is, phase 1 is 91 constituencies in 20 states. Is it clear? Phase 2 is 97 constituencies in 13 states. Is it clear? Phase 3 is 115 constituencies in 14 states. When I say states here, it also means states and UTs. Phase 4 is 71 constituencies in 9 states. Now, 71 constituencies in 9 states. Phase 5 is 51 constituencies in 7 states. Phase 6 is 59 constituencies in 7 states. Phase 7 is 59 constituencies in 8 states. You want me to read it out once more? Phase 1, 91 constituencies, 20 states. Phase 2, 97 constituencies, 13 states. Phase 3, 115 constituencies, 14 states. Phase 4, 71 constituencies, 9 states. Phase 5, 51 constituencies, 7 states. Phase 6, 59 constituencies, 7 states. And Phase 7, 59 constituencies, 8 states. The notification, the formal notification of by-elections, all the seats, etc., is being made separately today itself. Jammu Kashmir. States going in single phase. Andhra, Arunachal. Before now reading further, it must be clear that they will be overlapping. Same state will be named maybe in 2 phases or 3 phases. But still I am reading, I start reading now. States going in single phase, Andhra, Arunachal, Goa, Gujarat, Andhra, Arunachal, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Punjab, Sikkim, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, I said Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Andaman Nicobar, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, all right. You have waited for so long, I'll repeat. Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttarakhand, or you want me to repeat from the beginning? Andaman Nicobar, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Pondicherry, Chandigarh. In all 22 states going in single phase. States undergoing 2 phases. Karnataka, Manipur, Rajasthan, Tripura. States undergoing 3 phases. Assam, Chhattisgarh. States undergoing 4 phases. Jharkhand. 3rd phase, Assam, Chhattisgarh. 3 phases. 4 phases, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha. Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha. 5 phases, Jammu Kashmir. 6th phase, no state. 7th phase, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. And now I'll read out once more. First phase, 22 states and UTs. Second phase, 4 states and UTs. 2 phases, 4 states. 3 phases, 2 states. 4 phases, 4 states. 5 phases, 1 state. 7th phase, 3 states. You see, the issue also is that there is to be ensured the movement of the CPFs from one place to the other, and they go by trains, etc., and then they require some time for initial settling down, which is how all this has been done.
Now
Jammu Kashmir.
No, before that, sir, each state and each Which are the states and the date of polling?
So we have it.
No, please.
Sorry.
Please
It is
read
being
the
sent
dates.
to you.
Sir.
It's being sent to you now.
No, what are the
Soft copy. Just
seven,
now.
sir, seven phases states?
That's the most important basic information. Nobody knows. Like Andhra is going to be on which date?
Phase 1, Andhra, all the 25 seats. Phase 1, 11th April. It has been said 4 or 5 times, I'll say it again. 11th April, 25. Now I'll read state-wise, please. Andhra, first, now I'm reading phase 1, right? 11th April. Andhra, 25. Arunachal, 2. Assam, 5. Bihar, 4. Andhra, 25. Arunachal, 2. Assam, 5. Bihar, 4. Chhattisgarh, 1. Jammu Kashmir, 2. Maharashtra, 7. Manipur, 1. Meghalaya, 2. Mizoram, 1. Nagaland, 1. Odisha, 4. Sikkim, 1. Telangana, 17. Tripura, 1. Uttar Pradesh, 8. Uttarakhand, 5. West Bengal, 2. Andaman Nicobar, 1. Lakshadweep, 1. Total, 91. Am I clear now? Phase 2, Assam, 5. As said earlier, phase 2 starts from 18th April. Assam, 5. Bihar, 5. Chhattisgarh, 3. Jammu Kashmir, 2. Karnataka, 14, 1-4. Maharashtra, 10. Manipur, 1. Odisha, 5. Tamil Nadu, 39. Tripura, 1. Uttar Pradesh, 8. West Bengal, 3. Puducherry, 1. Total, 97. Phase 3, starting from 23rd April, Assam, 4. Bihar, 5. Chhattisgarh, 7. Gujarat, 26. Goa, 2. Jammu Kashmir, 1. Karnataka, 14. Kerala, 20. Maharashtra, 14. Odisha, 6. UP, Uttar Pradesh, 10. West Bengal, 5. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, 1. Daman and Diu, 1. Total 115, spanning 14 states and UTs. Phase 4, starting 29th April. Bihar 5, Jammu Kashmir 1, Jharkhand 3, Madhya Pradesh 6, Maharashtra 17, Odisha 6, Rajasthan 13, Uttar Pradesh 13, West Bengal 8. 5 was phase 3. 71 across 9 states. Phase 6. Phase 5, Phase 5, Bihar, 6th May, Bihar 5, Jammu Kashmir 2, Jharkhand 4, Madhya Pradesh 7, Rajasthan 12, Uttar Pradesh 14, West Bengal 7, total 51. Phase 6 starting 12th May. Bihar 8, Haryana 10, Jharkhand 4, Madhya Pradesh 8, Uttar Pradesh 14, West Bengal 8, National Capital Territory of Delhi 7, Phase 7 starting 19th May. Total Phase 6 59. Phase 7 starting 19th May. Chhattisgarh 8. Bihar 8. Not Chhattisgarh, Bihar, I stand corrected. Jharkhand 3.